Hello and welcome back. It's a completely different time and place. I'm wearing a hoodie because it's cold, but the filter still works. This is the 2-minute version of the 10-minute video that you might have already seen. If not, let's get straight into it. So basically, here is the GIMP program file, which includes the masculine texture mask and the face tracker, which you can get with the texture assets pack available from Spark AI's website. Links in the description, as well as all the software that I'm using in this video. So basically what I did was I created this little eyeshadow outline over the top of these two. Then I exported it without these two layers, just as a blank transparent PNG file. That's down here now. If I come back over to the Spark AI Studio, I'll create a new program and I'll show you how I made it. I create a face mesh first of all, and then add a material, click on the material, choose the texture, which we're going to choose the file, spoilers, eyeshadow rainbow. Yeah, and there you go, that's pretty much it. So if we pull it over here to the FaceTime camera, I'm back, hi, hello. We can switch this shader type over to face paint because it's more of a makeup look. And we can reduce the opacity because otherwise things kind of start to look a little bit unreal. You can adjust some of these values, I'm not totally sure. Yeah, there you go, look at that. The lighting in here is not great. I'll pull this down for a second, I'm a mess. That was about 2 minutes, I think I got it. Simple 2-minute eyeshadow Spark AR filter effect. Like, subscribe, you know the drill. Comment. I don't get a lot of comments, so I'll try to respond to them all. See you next time. Peace.